Hello and welcome to the first of 4 videos about different protein sources. I'm Cara Campbell and I'm an agricultural consultant for SAC Consulting. Supplementary protein sources such as soybean meal or rapeseed meal contribute a large part to a ruminant's diet. Increased global demand for these supplementary protein sources and associated fluctuations in availability and price has resulted in greater interest in the utilization of homegrown protein-rich forage sources for ruminants. Forage legumes have an ability to fix nitrogen due to the bacteria present on their root nodules and grow well in temperate regions like the UK. Therefore, offer a potential homegrown source of protein for our livestock. Compared to traditional grass silage, forage legumes require less nitrogen fertilizer during the growth and establishment stages due to their ability to fix nitrogen, therefore reducing the costs to produce the silage. Forage legumes have a high crude protein level ranging between 17 and 22%. The rest of the videos in this series will discuss lucerne, red clover and peas sown with barley as an arable silage. These forage legumes can be grown in the UK, however not all of them will be suitable to all regions in Scotland. Including forage legume silages within the diet of ruminants has many benefits, including increased milk yields and daily live weight gains. To find out more about forage legumes, please visit faz.scot.